Hey guys, Alex here, and I'm here in Santorini in Greece. I've been here for half a week now. I'm actually working. I brought my laptop with me and I'm working on my Amazon business, and it's actually dawn right now, so the sun just hasn't hit over the hills. I don't know whether you can actually see that, but the sun hasn't yet hit the hills over there, so it's literally, I think it's about 5:30 in the morning right now, and this is something that I'm a big advocate of getting up early. If you want to be successful, if you want to start getting more things done, maybe you're stuck in a job right now and one of the biggest things holding you back is, Alex, I've got no time, and you're pulling your hair out, I've got no time to start something on Amazon. I don't know how to go about finding, products. I don't have the time to find products to sell on Amazon, right? Well, get up earlier, all right? If you get up 1 hour earlier, that's 7 hours a week. That is plenty of time. Really, we have no excuses. None of us have excuses. We think we do. We think we have a valid excuse, but we don't. All right. Get up an hour earlier. From Monday, even Monday to Friday, right? That's 5 hours that you'll have extra to work on your business that will enable you to be set up, that will enable you to have more time freedom, enable you to spend more time with your family, travel to more exotic places, all right? But get up earlier. That's my tip for today, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. If you want to find out more information about Amazon and getting started on Amazon, and you're looking for product ideas and you want to know the first steps to take, check out my video. I've got a free training on, I think below this video there'll be a link. You can access a free training course on Amazon. Bye-bye for now. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.